Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing something truly next level, especially if you've ever dreamed of launching your own AI-powered business. It's called Agentic AI, and it's a platform that lets you create, deploy, and sell interactive face-to-face AI agents to clients without needing a team, coding skills, or even prior experience. If you've been watching the AI boom and wondering how to get in on it, this solves the biggest problem: how to offer real, revenue-generating AI services without building everything from scratch. Features and benefits. Let's break down what Agentic AI actually delivers. Create human-like AI agents that interact with customers in real time. Deploy these agents for businesses, think customer service, lead generation, onboarding. Sell AI agent services to clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly. No coding, no tech headaches, just plug-and-play templates. Includes a full agency blueprint to build a $100,000 per year business. Attend the live launch event and get 10 premium AI tools plus bonuses worth $1,000 plus. Chance to win lifetime access, worth $1,497, and instant cash prizes. The real benefit? You're not just buying software, you're stepping into a ready-made business model. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, or total beginner, Agentic AI gives you the tools to offer cutting-edge services that clients actually want. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what works and what to watch out for. Pros: no technical skills required. High demand niche with real client value. Includes training, templates, and bonuses. Can be used across multiple platforms: Fiverr, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Opportunity to win lifetime access and cash during launch. Cons: you'll need to attend the live launch event to unlock the best bonuses. Success depends on how well you position and market your AI agents. User reviews/testimonials. I saw Robbie, a digital freelancer, use Agentic AI to land his first client within 48 hours, offering a customer support agent to a Shopify store. Jessica, a coach, deployed an onboarding agent for her program and saw a 35% increase in client engagement. People love how real the agents feel and how easy it is to set them up. It's not just software, it's a business in a box. Conclusion: so, who's this for? If you're a freelancer, consultant, agency owner, or even a beginner who wants to tap into the AI gold rush, this is your shortcut. Personally, I think Agentic AI is one of the most exciting launches I've seen. It's not just hype, it's a practical, scalable way to offer AI services that clients are already searching for. The live launch event is packed with bonuses, giveaways, and training. You could walk away with lifetime access, $100 cash, and a full agency setup just for showing up. Click the link below to register for the Agentic AI launch and start building your own AI-powered business today. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to launch your own AI agent empire. Links in the description, don't miss this one.